Hello, my name is Annette and I am a choreographer and dance teacher here in the UK. Today I have a new dance for you from Heartstopper. This is from Series 1, Episode 5, Friend. I loved this episode in the bowling alley, and I've used lots of different moves from that episode and just little gestures, which I really hope you enjoy dancing along to. Let's go! Okay, we're going to start off by kicking our right foot to the corner, imagining we are like Isaac, where he gets really annoyed with the Monopoly game and he goes whoops and he kicks the Monopoly board over. So kick your right foot to the corner. Whoops! We're then going to turn into Tal with his interpretive dance for L. Lovely. So we're going to reach our arms up nice and fluently. We're going to push them down. We're then going to bring our arms crossed over and then loop them back out again. And all I'm doing is I'm shifting my weight from right foot to left foot. So here we go. Up, down, in, out. We then do our another Tao Su special dance move. Can you bring two arms above your head and then bop them right, left. We're now going to turn into the scene with the bowling alley. So we're going to bring our arms round to the right and we're going to send our bowling ball out long, stretching out your right arm and turning our body towards the left. We're then going to turn into L, because L wins the bowling match, and she does a little victory dance, which we're going to copy with our hands. So we go right, left, all the way around. We're then going to turn back into Tao, where he's like bemoaning the fact that he has not got the best muscles on his arms. He's got twigs for arms. So can you turn into Tao's bicep and show off your left muscle, put your right hand on it, then we're going to turn into the alien shooting match next. So can you send your pistol out long, and then can you fire, flicking your right leg behind you, stepping it forward, and then we're going to turn around via the left to face towards the right side. From here, we're going to turn into the magic claw machine that Nick plays, where he's trying to win that fluffy donut. So can you turn your hand into like a very pinched shape, and can you hold it up high? And we're going to lower it down, opening your hands as though you're going to grab a toy and then pull it up. At the same time, your left leg is going out long behind you, and then as it pulls up, snap your feet shut. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, pull up. We then take this hand around your head and face towards the front. And if you want to do something funky with your knees, you're really welcome at that point to get you around to face the front. We're going to finish by handing over our birthday present to Charlie. So holding your palms together, step forwards on your right foot, bringing your chest in towards you, and obviously Charlie loves this present, so he goes, thanks! Put your hands on your heart, and we're going to step over towards the left side, with a little pop on the end. The end! So let's try all those moves from the beginning. So far we've got our kick with our right foot on whoops. Here we go. Whoops! Put your foot down. We're going to reach two hands up, two hands down, in, out. We then put two hands above our head, bop, bop. We take our arms around, send your bowling ball out long, 1, 2, all the way around. Then get your Tao Su muscles out, put your hand on, send your pistols for firing at your aliens, like in the arcade. Send out your right foot behind you, turn yourself all around, and turn your right hand into a claw. We're then going to go down, 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 pop, up, face towards the front, holding your present, stepping forwards, and around, two hands on your heart. Let's try it with some music.